Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes with Freetaxusa. To begin, you'll either create a new account or log in if you're a returning user. It's crucial to have all your tax documents, like W-2s and Form 1099s, ready before you start. This ensures a smooth and accurate filing process. Carefully select your filing status, as this impacts your tax outcome significantly. Freetaxusa makes this initial setup straightforward and user-friendly. Next, you'll accurately input all your income details from sources like W-2s, Form 1099, and any other earnings. Don't forget to claim all eligible deductions, as these can significantly lower your taxable income. Freetaxusa provides clear prompts to help you identify these. Take your time to review each entry carefully to ensure everything is correct before moving on to the next section. Now, explore the various tax credits you might qualify for. These credits directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, dollar for dollar. Freetaxusa is designed to guide you through common credit opportunities, helping you maximize your refund or minimize your tax liability. After entering all your information, perform a thorough review of your entire return to catch any potential errors or omissions. Finally, it's time to file your return. You can choose to e-file both your federal and state taxes directly through Freetaxusa for convenience. If you're expecting a refund, confirm your bank account details for direct deposit. If you owe taxes, ensure your payment information is correct. Once everything is verified, securely submit your return and receive confirmation that it has been successfully filed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.